Have you ever caught yourself yawning just because someone else did? It's weird, right? But there's actually some science behind it. Yawning isn't just about being tired, it's your brain's way of cooling down. When you yawn, you take a big gulp of air, which helps lower your brain's temperature and keep you alert. But here's the interesting part. Yawning is contagious because of something called social bonding. When we see someone yawn, our brain naturally wants to copy them, almost like a sign of empathy. Even animals like dogs and chimpanzees yawn when they see others do it. So next time you're in a room full of yawners, don't fight it. Your brain's just trying to stay cool and connected. And if you like this one, please subscribe.